Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge vehicle. We will explain guys how often you should change, replace your coolant and how often you should flush your cooling system. Many people asked me about that guys, and we decided to make a quick video and give you the insights. Now it really guys depends on what vehicle we have, when it was built and what coolant it was used in it. So make sure to stay until the end. As you know guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully we can save you some serious money. We just did an engine replacement on that Dodge here guys, and doesn't matter if you have a Dodge Charger, Challenger, Durango, whatever it is guys, we'll show you what needs to be done, okay, and what you need to know about changing your coolant. So this guys right here is a 2016 Dodge Dart. So as you know guys, Dodge, they've been working, okay, it's been Dodge for a long time, but they were cooperation with Daimler Chrysler, okay, which is Mercedes guys. That's why it was known under Daimler Chrysler, because Dodge is under Chrysler, and Daimler and Chrysler form one company together guys. So they were working together for a while. Later Dodge guys, which is Chrysler division, they guys went with Fiat, the European Fiat. So like this engine right here in that Dodge, it's completely a Fiat engine guys right now. 2.4, that's a Fiat engine, and it's been used in multiple Dodge vehicles, in Jeep, Chryslers and Fiat vehicles. So how you guys know when you need to change your coolant? Practically guys, okay, everybody will give you a different advice. What do we do here? Make sure you stay until the end. I'll show you something in the manual, but usually guys, we change our coolant every 60,000 miles. 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers. We drain the system completely, we flush it, we have video how to do that, we bleed it properly. You will need to bleed it the correct way, otherwise you can overheat your system. That's what we do guys, every 60,000 miles. Or 5 years, whichever comes first, 60,000 miles or 5 years. Now some people actually guys do it every 30,000 miles. Most mechanics will tell you 30,000 miles. In my opinion, with today's coolants guys, that's ridiculous. Why? Because most of the coolants nowadays guys, they're long life coolants like this one here. Okay, let me just focus here on that bottle and show you what this one says now guys. Okay, where did it go? It says 150,000 miles, or it says 5 years I believe. Let me see where it went. Okay, 150 mile, 5 year protection. Now you always should use the coolant that's approved for your car. Since Chrysler guys, okay, and Dodge started developing things together with Fiat, they started using a common coolant, and past like I think 2015-16, you will notice guys, check your service menu, okay, your maintenance menu on your vehicle guys, check it out, and you will notice, okay, you will have a flush and replace engine coolant section, and it says 10 years or 150,000 miles, but actually you have a check mark at 100,000 miles. So that means guys, 10 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. So according to that thing, 150. In my opinion, that's way high. What I'll do, probably I'll do it at about 100, and I'm going to put a water pump as well when I'm doing that. Why? Because since you already drained the system, it takes only one belt in most cases to replace your pump. So replace it if it's easy. That guys give you a peace of mind. So most of the times we change it at 60,000. Now some older vehicles may require 30,000 mile coolant changes. Some may require guys 150,000 miles. But in my opinion, you should never go more than 60,000. If you need to see coolant for your specific Dodge vehicle guys, we'll have the different coolants listed in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.